Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Brocco Fast. Today we are going to do the rear diff fluid change on the ZL1 1LE. You can see in the background there. Boom. Got the gear oil. Need 2 bottles of this. Able to get it on Amazon for like, I think it was like 40 bucks for both of them. So it was pretty cheap, shipped to the house. So need to get that done. It's not going to take both of them, but you know, need it just in case and got to clear it out because I think it takes just a little more than 1 bottle. So, and I like to use a little bit to get the dirty stuff out. So this should be a quick and easy dirty one, but nothing for me is quick and easy. There's always an issue, so I'm praying that nothing happens because we are going to the racetrack tomorrow. I got the brake split, I got the Castrol SRF in it. Need to do the diff because we're at 1,400 miles. Figured let's get it done before the track. So let's get on to it. We need the 2 bottles of that. Let's get it on the quick jack and let's get popping. And if you haven't, hit subscribe. Let's go. And she's up in the air. All right, up here we have the fill bolt, and right here we have the drain bolt. Perfect. And as you can see, my beautiful Corsa exhaust. We got our fluid here, napkin because it's gonna spill. Our pump. And the greatest thing is, just gotta use this bad boy. Pop those open. So let's start with, you know, obviously you always take out the fill first and then the drain. Because the last thing you want to do is take the drain out, can't get the fill out, and you have nowhere to go. So let's get started. It's a little hard to show you guys, but my 3/8 ratchet in here, and you can see it's loose. I loosened it, so as soon as it cracked, I went down here, made sure this one cracks, and we're good. So I'm going to spin this one out. Once that's out, that's actually going to give it a little air pocket for all the air that's coming out of here to escape. It's going to make a nice smooth pour, hopefully. We're going to take these out carefully because they will drip oil. Make sure you have towels ready. So, top drain plug is out. You could hear noise, actually air escaping, which is kind of cool. I don't know if you can see that. It is magnetic, so we want to get that gooch off there. And we'll be examining the other stuff as well. And now's the fun one. So we will get this one out. This might be a little tough for me. I might have to see if I can record with this hand. So I like to get it a little loose. I like to do everything with my hand. I don't know why. Just gentler on the car. It gives me more stability. Shoots this stuff's probably gonna spray out everywhere. Not spray out, but you know, have a little gusto behind it. So as soon as I always keep a little pressure on it as I'm spinning it out. That way it doesn't shoot out. Try to put this other finger behind it, like right here. Man, I nailed that. Whew, look at that. It is definitely gray, like they all say. It's all that startup juices. You know, the car's only got 1,300 miles on it. You can see all the gunk stuck to this. So we'll get this one wiped off as well. Oh, it's sludgy. Yep. Ooh, buddy. All right. Let that drain for a while. Check this one out. Yep, you can see the sludge, and just think that's only, you know, 1,300 miles. So let's get these cleaned off. I just wanted to show you what came off. Look at that. That's off the drain. Try to get an idea. Look how thick that is. That's the goop of the break-in period. And this is why this is important to do. Because, I mean, ugh. These are clean. I orientated top and bottom, so we're good to go. While it's draining, we are gonna get our pumps ready. This little kit I bought from Amazon plugs in there, and you pump your arm until you can't stop, because from what I've heard, it takes forever. So we'll get working on that. So you can see it's draining a little bit there. It's getting slower and slower and slower. So once it starts getting a good drip, I'm gonna start pumping in the new fluid and let some of that new fluid come out. That way we know we got all that gunk out there. Now that we got some better clear fluid out of this thing, we are going to use our drain plug. And you can see it's getting clear, it's getting some of that gooch out. It's getting better. So we want to plug this hole back up. Use our hand tighten action here. Alright. Gonna lock my hands here like this. We're gonna tighten this bad boy up. Tight. We are good. Clean that up. Give it one more. Okay, she is tight. All right, let's start pumping until it overflows out of this, out of the fill port. Ready to watch some pumping? Dude, let's do this. Probably always a good idea to watch your hose though too, make sure it doesn't come out. Now this is going to take a while. And I'm getting wet. So that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna take a while. You don't need to see me pump this thing for 30 minutes because, to be honest, you saw all that and it's only gone like just a tiny bit down. So it takes a while, but it's the way to do it. So once I got that all done and it starts dribbling out the top, you'll see it start to slowly dribble out the top. That's when we know when to stop. It's full. Let's put the fill plug back in, tighten it. We're done, folks. That's it. Easy peasy. All right, I'm gonna start on this. Yahtzee! Ah. That was really weird. All right, folks, that's it. Simple as that. The only other thing I would say is with that little pump, it does leave a little tiny bit of fluid in there, but hey, you got 2 bottles. Just pour it back in the other one. Make a bigger bottle. So pretty simple. Just be able to have your drain pan there, make sure everything's good and tight, and you're done. I mean, that's it. It's simple. Dealership wants to charge you like $400 to do that, and it costs all of 40 bucks and some time. So think about that. Hope you had fun. Hope this was informative for you. I'll put the part numbers and the stuff that you need if you need it up on the YouTube page here. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Brock, go fast.